तेरे बोट घ्या ना जरा प्लीज. येऊ नका शशांक उभा आहे.
थोड़ा थोड़ा बात. Alright, Rotarians, are you all ready? थोड़ा जोर से.
कॅनर घेऊन
हेलो एवरीवन, ये कैंपेन एक चीज़ के लिए है जिसे हम कहते हैं मेंस्ट्रुअल कप्स, जो रीयूजेबल है और सैनिटरी हाइजीन के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. सो अब मतलब मैंने तो आज तक कभी मेंस्ट्रुअल कप्स नहीं देखे हैं बिकॉज दे आर नॉट दैट मच इनटू द हेल्प ऑफ पीपल वाचिंग इट. यस मैं भी दिखाइए. वी हैव सी यस आप सब इसके साथ मास्क भी नहीं आएगा. I don't know.
ओके मालूम हो जाएगा.
Yes, so this is the menstrual cup. ऐसे वर्ल्ड कप की तरह अच्छे से लिखा है तो बाकी लोगों को समझ में. Yes, this is the menstrual cup. और अगर आप लोगों में से कोई भी बता सके इसे यूज़ कैसे करते हैं, that would be really great.
सब लेडीज को बताइए.
अच्छा, सब लेडीज़ को पहले से पता है.
और
So,
18 years के बाद ही हो.
18 इयर्स के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़, जो भी 18 एंड अबव है वो ही यूज़ कर सकते हैं, यूज़ करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग. आप एक बार लेके जाओगे तो आप 6-7 महीने यूज़ कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन एंड थैंक यू सो मच रोटरी क्लब.
One minute, huh? Yes, yes.
आजा यार, एक मिनट में फोटो कापी जरूर.
अरे घ्या दिसला या येते फोटो.
थैंक यू.
Hi, good morning. My name is Tushar Pawar here. Today is 14th of February. So, today I would be interviewing the head of this campaign. Good morning, ma'am. So, I would like to know what is this campaign all about and why this campaign is on 14th of February.
Two things are there. This is about Red Dot campaign, one thing. This is held by Rotary Club, Rotary District 3131. 13 clubs are participating. Rotary is the organization 115 years old, having 12 lakhs of members and 535 districts. One of our district is District 3131 and we are having 140 clubs. And out of them, 13 clubs are participating in today's event. And geographical area is Pune, Panvel, Raigad. And Valentine Day का ये था ऐसे मतलब कि basically Rotractors and Interactors they can participate also, so that it can be happening for them. But Rotary is working in 6 thrust areas. One of is environment also. And उसमें environment के बारे में overall plastic waste management and everything, menstrual hygiene, we are having different avenues like WINS is one of the avenue, that is wash in schools. सो उसमें हम पूरा जो बच्चों को ज्ञान भी देते हैं, अवेयरनेस करते हैं, मोटिवेट करते हैं कि सैनिटरी थिंग्स का कचरा नहीं हो. दैट इज़ द वन थिंग. वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग इंसिनरेटर्स, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग सैनिटरी पैड डिस्पेंसर्स ऑल्सो, एंड इन दिस एरिया रोटरी इज़ वर्किंग अ लॉट. थैंक यू.
One more question I would like to ask today. Okay. So I want to know what is the social message you would like to pass through the public, because we can see there are so many people gathered around here to support this campaign. So what motivates you for this social message? And on this 14th of Feb, what is the social message you would like to provide towards the society?
या वैलेंटाइन डे इज़ फॉर लव बेसिकली. जो लोग कचरा इकट्ठा करते हैं उनके भी बारे में सोचना चाहिए. सो 3 थिंग्स आई विल लाइक टू कन्विंस. एक तो रीयूजेबल सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स यूज़ होने चाहिए, तो उससे कचरा कम हो जाएगा. दूसरी बात है, जब इफ़ दे आर नॉट रीयूजेबल देन ऐसे पैक करना चाहिए उसको न्यूज़पेपर में या ऐसे कुछ भी कि उसके ऊपर एक हम रेड डॉट कैंपेन, वाई इट इज़ रेड डॉट कैंपेन, कि उसके ऊपर स्केच पेन से या टिकली से एक रेड डॉट कर देते हैं, तो वो कचरा उठाने वाली जो महिलाएं हैं वो खोल के नहीं देखेगी कि क्या है. दे विल गेट टू नो कि ये है उसमें, तो वो आराम से वो कचरे में चला जाएगा. थर्ड थिंग इज़ दैट कप्स एंड एवरीथिंग वी आर प्रमोटिंग, कि जिससे कचरा हो ही नहीं. ऐसी 3 चीज़ें हैं जो आई विल लाइक टू शेयर. एंड वैलेंटाइन का तो जो यंगस्टर्स है, दे आर वेरी एंथुजियास्टिक एंड दे लाइक टू do something innovative and creative. So all you can see all of them, they are there. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So there are few people gathered around here. So we would be asking few of the people what they think about it. So ma'am, hello. So I would like to know that why are you here on this 14th of Feb and what do you think about this campaign? We would start with your name.
I'm Renu Arya, part of Rotary Club of Pune Kalyani Nagar, and Dr. Megha Sharma. This, for us, this was her baby, and we are here to support the Red Dot campaign. And this is a pan-India drive in which we are trying to spread awareness on menstrual hygiene, and also make them realize that menstrual cups are not a product for the riches. Right? So we believe definitely in absorb the red flow and let the green grow. Thank you.
So there are few more people around here. So I would be asking few of them what they feel about it and what social message they would like to provide. So I would like to ask you, ma'am, may I know your good name? Sir, I can see that you are here to support the campaign. Yes. So I want to know your name and what social message you would like to provide towards the society. Please introduce with your name.
Hi, I'm Captain Rajiv Saran from Kalyani Nagar Rotary Club, District 3131. The most important message with this is to support the hygiene and the easy accessibility for the women who are going to use it. They don't have to be exposed to any health issues. We're trying to eliminate that at the most. We're trying to eliminate the waste that is generated by the use of sanitary pads, etc. We are trying to progress into the next era where these things can be avoided and better utility service be provided. It takes a long time for a sanitary pad to be decomposed and be, hazard free. Whereas the menstrual cups that we are looking into providing for the general public and for the people at the lower levels will enhance their safety standards and the health hygiene. I think we've already gone pan-India, and I think by Valentine's Day, 14th February 2024, we plan to go international with this product and campaign so that more and more people from other countries are also aware of the whole thing. I think that's about all from me.
Thank you so much. We got to know so many things about this campaign. So there are few more people gathered here. I would be talking to a few of the random people to know more about the campaign. So ma'am, I would like to know why you are here, what social message you would like to promote, and why are you supporting this campaign? Please start with the introduction.
Hello, I'm Seema Tanwar, and I lead the Women's Club Kharari, and I completely support Rotary in this campaign. I think plastic is something that we have always been trying to avoid, reduce, reuse, recycle. And menstrual cups is one big way that we can reduce all the plastic which is produced and which is all going into the oceans. And that's how, there's no need of recycling because we have already reduced all the plastic. So I completely support this campaign. Dr. Megha Sharma, we are missing you here today. Rotary, it's an amazing project that you have taken up. And I really wish you all the best, and we are there to support you. Thank you.
So thank you for the answer. Signing off is Tushar Pawar. We'll keep you more update. We'll keep you informed about more updates about this campaign. Signing off is Tushar Pawar. Thank you.
तुम्ही थोडं पाठीमागे जयश्री मॅडम.
लाल रंगाची बेडी आहे.
I request President Kiran to felicitate District Race Director Archana ma'am.
सगळ्यांना टोप्या घालण्याचं काम होणार. पुणेरी टोपी. पुणेरी टोपी.
I request President Shashank to felicitate our membership director, district membership director Manju Phadke. I request our PG to felicitate all 13 clubs president. सर नाही कम्प्लीट येते कोणतरी एकाला येस येस मी देऊ का आय विल अंगा वाचून Ramesh Sato from Rotary Club of Udyog-Nagari.
Thank you.
Basically, this club is from PCMC area. Congratulations.
Thank you, madam.
Okay. She is very dynamic lady, Kirti Bhansali, President Rotary Club of Katrans. Shashank Sapre, Rotary Club of Pune Gandhi Bhavan. Again, dynamic lady, Jaya Shah, Rotary Club of Pune. Manasi Khurjekar, Rotary Club of Phoenix. All these are president of the Rotary clubs. They are 13 presidents. We are having 140 clubs in our district 3131, which is geographically spread from Pune, Raigad, Panvel. Jayashree Deshpande, Rotary Club of Pune, Saraswat. Very good morning. Nitin Wagh from Rotary Club of Pune. Kiran Inge, Rotary Club of Pune, Sahwas. Brain behind this program. Thank you. Pratibha Gowde, Rotary Club of Chinswad, Morea. President of Rotary Club of Pune, Katrans.
Apurva also, please come. Rotary President.
Representative of Rotary Club of Pune, Kalyani Nagar, Renu. Very good old friend, Renu Arya from Rotary Club of Pune, Kalyani Nagar. Rotary President. Sagar Srivastava, President of Rotary Club of Pune, Katrans. Rotary is a part of Rotary family, that is Rotary in action. Age group is 18 to 28. So, most enthusiastic people and support of Rotary.
Rotary Club of Pune, Savas, Apurva also.
Rotary President of Savas, Apurva. Again, Rotary in action, Rotary Club of Pune, Savas, Apurva. Saraswat, president of Rotaract Club.
सारसबागचा प्रेसिडेंट आले का रोटरी? ठीक आहे नेक्स्ट
Now,
सर जी
please,
हेलो एवरीवन
attention please, attention please.
attention please
So, we are standing all four corners of this chowk for 5 minutes with our club coach. Then we will move towards Bal Gandharva from FC Road, from main gate of Ferguson College, and we will take right turn towards JM Road. So we are marching in 2 lines, keeping 1 hand distance, no talking, silent march. We are presenting Rotary.
yes this is very important
In discipline, we will move towards Bal Gandharva.
कमला
Club
आर्केड
wise, all president will head their club members. Got it? Sarasbag, Gitika.
Purnima Lonawat, please come. She is the interior designer and social activity. She is joining today's our this program. Our district and Miss Anjum Jagirdar.
Anjum Jagirdar.
Mrs. India International 2021. Ashwini Kamble, Interior Data Analyst, Women of Substance to 2021. She is an Engineer Data Analyst, Women of Substance 2021. Yeah, Advocate Urmila Jadhav. She is Mrs. Diva International. Next, Neetu Jha.
Neetu Jha.
She is a fashionista, PR marketing and socialite. Rupali Sawant. She is a Mrs. India 2018 and Iconic Woman of the Year 2020. Seema Tanwar. She is the President, Women Club Karadi. Next is the Bobby Karnani. Bobby Karnani. She is the founder president BNWC. Minal Harne. Mrs. India Rahan Greeny, Globus Loop. Mr. Amol is a model and artist, coordinator of art and films and promotions.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Miss Madhu Singh, Creative Director, Assemble and Entertainment Interview. और इसके साथ मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा जो सबको हमारे साथ आई है पुलिस कॉप्स ऑफिसर. ए शशांक, प्लीज कॉल देम. So thank you guys, thank you for joining us. We will move forward to Kamla Arcade, Balgandhar, opposite Balgandhar.
Attention please, make group, club wise, make group.
Hello, excuse
Stand
me.
in group.
Nirupla Felicit sir.
Hello everyone, I am Tushar Pawar here. So today is 14th of Feb, auspicious occasion. It's a campaign. So I would be asking few questions to the presidents of this campaign. So ma'am, please introduce about yourself and what is this campaign all about?
Yeah, this is basically environment-based campaign and hygiene. Basically, this is environment and hygiene-based campaign. I am Rotarian Rashmi Kulkarni, District Governor for District 3131, which is spread geographically from Pune, Panvel, Raigad, and having 140 clubs, Rotary clubs, and we are having 13 club presidents here, 1-3. This campaign is basically organized on Valentine's Day because this is the day of love and we should honor everyone. मतलब जो कचरा इकट्ठा करने वाली होती है, basically that was the intention for their hygiene and the overall environment. Whenever you throw sanitary napkins or menstrual waste anywhere, so it should be wrapped properly and it should be seen with a red dot. That is the red dot meaning of red dot campaign. And another things, of course, we are promoting like sanitary napkins dispenser. We are working a lot in this area, Rotary International also, which is 115 years old. We are working in this area. We have 7 thrust areas, which is environment is one of the area, and dispensing of sanitary napkins, vending machines for girls, menstrual hygiene for girls. These are the basically awareness. We are making awareness in these areas.
Thank you for the question. I can see there are a few more presidents over here. So I would be asking ma'am, why this campaign is on 14th of Feb? Why exactly?
This is the Valentine Day significant. Yes. Red color represents, yes, I am Rotarian Kirti Bansali, President of Rotary Club of Pune Katras. On this 14 Feb, Valentine Day, we are doing the campaign of Red Dot. It's an awareness program. What is the meaning of red? Red means love, but red is other meaning also. That Red Dot campaign for waste management worker to segregate the waste material of all diapers, sanitary napkins is a big task. So we are appealing people and making awareness. Do please wrap your sanitary waste in newspaper, mark with it red color, and throw it in waste. So it is easy for the workers to segregate that material, and it is also good for environment because sanitary waste decomposition take lots of time. So when the segregation is separately done, it will be taken care by the waste management workers, and they will decompose it very properly. So it's a very good campaign for the waste management workers and for the hygiene of girls and the environment. Thanks.
Thank you for the answer. So I would like to ask one of the president of this campaign.
No, I'm not president, I'm Vince chair.
Vince Kala, yes, correct. So I would be asking ma'am about this campaign, what she feels about it. So please introduce yourself, ma'am.
I am Archana Tople, Wings Chair, District 3131. District 3131. सो माझा हा महत्त्वाचा मुद्दाच होता की जेव्हा मी वॉशिंग स्कूलची चेअर झाली की हे आरोग्याशी निगडीत असतं जे मेन्स्ट्रुअलचं असतं ते, आणि आता तो टॅब्यू राहिलेला नाही. हा सगळ्यांनी मनमोकळेपणाने बोलण्याचा विषय आहे आणि हा मुख्यतः आपल्या आरोग्याबरोबर लेडीजच्या पर्यावरणाशी सुद्धा तो संबंधित आहे. त्याच्यामुळे पर्यावरणाशी आपल्याला सॅनिटरी नॅपकिन नुसते वापरण्याच्या जो आता मेघा शर्मा आणि ह्या इतर प्रेसिडेंटनी जो आज आखला आहे व्हॅलेंटाईन डेच्या दिवशी, तो अगदी बरोबर प्रोजेक्ट आहे. कारण त्यामुळे जे मेन्स्ट्रुअल कप वापरल्याने आपण पर्यावरणाला खूप मदत करणार आहोत. त्यातनं कचरा वगैरे होणार नाही. तो स्वस्त पडतो, कॉस्ट त्याची कॉस्ट त्याच्या आयुर्मानाच्या मानाने स्वस्त पडते आणि ती तुम्हाला सस्टेनेबिलिटी असल्यामुळे परवडते. सगळ्या समाजातल्या प्रत्येक विभागाला ती परवडते. मिडल क्लास असो किंवा शाळांमधल्या असू दे, लांबच्या असू दे. थँक्यू.
Thank you so much, ma'am. One last question to one of the president. So, yes. So I would like to ask, ma'am, why are you supporting this campaign and what social message you want to provide towards the public? So please introduce yourself and then answer.
मी जयश्री देशपांडे, रोटरी क्लब सारसबागची प्रेसिडेंट आहे. रेड डॉट कॅम्पेनला मी सपोर्ट करते, कारण काय आहे की ते आपल्याला महत्त्वाचं आहे. त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त ज्या कचरा उचलणाऱ्या महिला आहेत किंवा कचरा उचलणारे जे पुरुष आहेत त्यांच्याकरता ते जास्त महत्त्वाचं आहे. कारण त्यांच्याकडे काही वेळेला काय होतं, त्यांच्याकडे ग्लोव्ज नसतात आणि ते तसंच हाताने कचरा उचलतात. त्याच्यामुळे त्यांना आजारपणाची अत्यंत भीती असते. तर ते टाळण्याकरता आपल्याला जे पॅड्स आहेत ते नेहमी न्यूजपेपरमध्ये किंवा कशात तरी गुंडाळून त्याच्यावरती रेड डॉट लावला पाहिजे, जेणेकरून कचरेवाल्यांना माहिती पडेल की ह्याच्यामध्ये हे आहे, पॅड्स आहेत आणि ते त्याला हात लावणार नाहीत. आणि त्यांचं हायजीन जपण्याकरता हे आपल्याला अत्यंत गरजेचं आहे. थँक्यू.
Thank you so much. So signing off is Tushar Pawar. Thank you. So hello everyone, my name is Tushar Pawar. We are here for Red Dot campaign on 14th of February. So we have one of the senior most person in this campaign out here. So I would like to know, ma'am, that what is this campaign about and why are you supporting this campaign? Start with introduction.
Hello, I'm Neetu Jha. I'm a socialite, a fashionista into marketing and PR, and here I am to support this cause that is initiated by Rotary Club of Pune, and it is about Cup of Life, and I am supporting it because I am a woman. This is about women. This is about underprivileged girls and women who don't know much about the menstrual hygiene, and we are providing them hygiene, and this is about the awareness of menstrual cycle and how to deal with it. So this is about all that we all have gathered, and we are doing a campaign and fighting for the cause. Thank you so much.
Yes. So thank you for the answer. Thank you so much. So we have one more ma'am over here. So start with introduction, and I would like to know that why are you here? Why are you supporting this Red Dot campaign, and what you feel about this Red Dot campaign? So please start with introduction.
My name is Purnima Lunawat. I am an interior designer and social activist. It's really a pleasure to be here on Valentine Day because see, plastic has already created many problems to the nature, and really we should come out of this. And so segregation of plastic was the most important thing to be done, and Rotary Club has come out with this great idea, Cup of Life. So really I think this will work out, and this will help in saving the nature, and they have come out with a very good concept. Even the workers will feel not dirty to pick up the dirt now, and really Cup of Life, it's really life's cup. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So we'll keep you updated about this campaign. Signing off is Tushar Pawar. Thank you. Tushar Pawar here, one of the international model and then public figure, Rupali, Miss Rupali. So I would like to ask her a few questions about this campaign. Ma'am, I would like to know why are you supporting this campaign and what you feel about this Red Dot campaign. Please start with introduction.
Hello everyone, I'm Rupali Sawant as mentioned by Mr. Tushar, and I don't think so I need any other reason apart from being a woman to support this cause. I support Red Dot campaign, and what a wonderful day to redefine red color on Valentine Day. So obviously I have to be here, and I'm here by all means, and it's a lovely noble cause to spread the awareness about the menstruation hygiene. Health is wealth, as we all say. So yeah, I'm here for that, and by every means and every cause I'm supporting it. So thank you, Tushar, and I wish all the best to the Rotarian clubs, and especially Megha Sharma for providing me this an opportunity to be here. I'm thankful to all of you. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much. So also I would thank you so much, Rupali. Yeah. So I would be asking ma'am few questions about this campaign. So ma'am, I would like to know that why are you supporting this campaign? What is this campaign, and what social message you would like to provide to the society over here? Okay. Please start with introduction.
Yeah. Hi, this is RJ Nisar, and I am here because I think everybody should hear, every woman should hear, and not only women, even men should be here, because this is a cause wherein people should take a step, and not only from metropolitan cities like this, but even from the rural areas, because this is a cause wherein you should take an initiative, we should take an initiative to change something. So I think red flow and let the green grow is somewhat very huge initiative, in which I am such a small part. I am very small part of it, but I am sure that you people are watching me, and this is a cause wherein each and every woman will get a help. So if you support women, this is a cause where you should be there, and I think that this is amazing cause by Dr. Ma'am, Dr. Megha Sharma, and thanks for inviting me, and surely I'll spread to the world, and thank you so much for inviting me. Yep.
So I would like to ask one male supporter for this campaign. So I would like to know, sir, ये कैंपेन को आप क्यों सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, और आपको क्या लगता है इस कैंपेन के बारे में? आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दो प्लीज़.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Sajwala. I'm the secretary of Sindhi Samaj Pune. I support this Red Dot, Let the Green Flow. It's a campaign which should be run across. And since I'm seeing here, there are many females and very few males supporting this campaign. I've seen my girl child grow, my wife, the problems they have. I think this initiative taken by Dr. Megha Sharma and the Rotarians over here is a very good step towards the hygiene part and the other things. And I'd like to thank once again everybody, and I like that in this support, if males join in, it will be really a boost to everybody. Thank you.
So thank you so much for the answer. Signing off is Tushar Pawar. Anything more about this event, we'll keep you updated. Thank you. Hello everyone, once again sign in. I am Tushar Pawar. So Red Dot campaign today on 14th of Feb. I would like to ask sir, what is this campaign all about? Why are you supporting this campaign, and why on 14th of Feb? So please start with introduction.
Hello, I am Deepak Vani from Rotary Club of Pune Kalyani Nagar. I have been a past president of this club and working in district. Ministerial hygiene is the most concern in urban and rural as well. We supporting is the most needed thing as of now, what is needed for our country and the requirement of a human being. Being women absolutely underestimated for such costs which is concerning day by day. However, what is important to make that awareness, therefore we support the Red Dot and Cup Office.
Thank you for the answer, sir. So I would like to ask one of the senior most supporter for this campaign. So sir, please start with introduction, and I would like to know what social message you would like to give through this campaign towards the society. So please start with introduction.
I've already done mine.
You have done, sir? Oh. Signing off is Tushar Pawar. Thank you so much.
जाऊ दे गो.
चला चला रस्त्यात नका येऊ.
आता सापडलं.
फेसबुकवर लाईव्ह गेलं.
जॉईंट होऊ दे त्यांना, जॉईंट होऊ दे.
थांबव त्यांना. मध्ये येऊ नका कोणी, मध्ये नका येऊ कोणी. पटकन जा जा इकडे कॅमेऱ्यात बघू नका दो मिनट अभी क्या बोलना है? जोर से वन मोर और जोर से
Please support
वन मोर गेले सायकलवाले गेले. दोन मिनटं मॅम.